CSS positions. Okay, so in this video we are look on the CSS position. For that I'm going to have a div, and in that div I'm going to have a paragraph, and in that paragraph I'm going to have some content. So you can see this here, and now just style it. So every time now we will write this default styling, which will reduce the margin and padding, the by default margin and padding. Okay, and now we will give some style to this, and we can give like border solid, thin, and let's suppose some gray border. So you can see this border. I'm not sure you can see the entire border. For that we can give the margin. So now I hope you can see this padding also 10 pixel. So like this way we have this div. Okay, so how to give a position? Like we have a paragraph within this div. So div, inside this we have a paragraph. So now we can code onto the paragraph, or we can, if you don't know about this, we'll learn it later. You can directly write like this paragraph. Okay, so what we can do is we can give some border to this paragraph, solid, thin, some new color, you can say like aqua, save it, and here it is. Okay, and now I'm going to give the position absolute. And what does it do? So position absolute just gives a new layer, and it make it as an overlay. So whenever I'm giving a position absolute, I can use the absolute top, left, bottom, and right. Like for the top we can give it 0, it will get to the top, and for the left we can give it 0, it will go to top left. Okay, similarly if I, instead of top, we can use the bottom, it go to bottom, and not just 0, we can use like 50 pixel, so it will start from bottom after 50 pixel. So these are the absolute position. Whenever you are giving a position absolute, it will start from the right from the screen. So just remove this, and we don't want it to be basically relative to the entire body. We want it to be related to its parents. So what we can do, we have to give the position relative to its parents, so that it can be relative to its parent. So when I save this, so it is now related to its parent. So if I give it top 0 now, so what it will do, it will start from the top of its parent, not from the body. And similarly the left one. Now you got this, I guess. Is it okay? Yeah, fine. So let's suppose I'm not giving it to relative, and I'm not giving any top and left. I'm just making the position fixed. And what does it mean? Like what does it mean actually? So this paragraph actually stick to the screen, and it won't how will I tell you, we can have like multiple divs. Let's suppose enter some, and like this way, save it, and look at this. This is stick to the this is not at all good. What we can do, just give some styling so that we can some background color RGBA. So we can give like a black color of transparent, so that we can know, and color transparent, so that it should not look like. So like this way, it is stick to the screen. it is not, you know, working as we cannot move this. And now we can give the anything like bottom 50, as we already know about the position absolute, so it will stick to somewhere. You know, you have seen like you need to give an option to chat with us, so you can have like width 100 pixel. You know, I'm bad at spellings, even talk about the pixel. Yeah, 50, so bottom 50 and right 50. So you can see that again this spelling mistake. So here we have this, so we can stick anything, any information here like this way. So these are the position absolute, fixed and relative, and the absolute position like bottom, right and all. Similarly, this is, you know, just coming over the background. If we want to send it into the background, so what we can check, like we can give a background color, let's suppose red, so it will be red, and give a z index to -1, let's suppose. So it will go into the background. So you can see this, that these things are coming into the foreground and that are into the background. So you can easily use the z index also, that will work for the position fixed and the position absolute. So like this way we can have this. And there is one more thing, if you want to, you know, hide it, like there are two way to hide it. One is to, you know, just doesn't show it, and one is to clearly remove from the DOM. So what we can do, we can like display none, so it won't take space also, it will be removed and won't take this space also. But instead of that, if we use visibility hidden, so it will take space but it is not visible. So we can use visibility visible and display none, just to make it, you know, like this way. So that is all for the positions. Hope you got something out of this, and tell me what are the challenges you are facing and we'll surely solve those. So thank you.